Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to trade Nasdaq using the CNBC app. First, ensure you have the CNBC app installed on your smartphone or tablet. You'll need to either create a new account or log in with your existing credentials to unlock all the trading tools. Next, securely link your preferred brokerage account directly within the app settings. This integration is crucial for executing trades and managing your portfolio efficiently. It's a straightforward process designed for user convenience. Once logged in, navigate to the search bar to find any Nasdaq-listed stock you're interested in. The app provides real-time stock quotes, detailed charts, and historical performance data, which are essential for informed decisions. Take advantage of the comprehensive newsfeed and expert analysis available. This information helps you understand market sentiment and potential price movements before making any commitments. When you're ready to trade, select the stock and choose either buy or sell. You'll then specify the number of shares you want to trade. The app will display the estimated cost or proceeds. Always double-check all the order details, including the stock symbol, quantity, and order type, before confirming your transaction. This careful review helps prevent errors and ensures your trade aligns with your strategy. After executing your trades, continuously monitor your portfolio's performance and individual stock movements within the app. Utilize the customizable alert features to stay informed about significant price changes or breaking news that could impact your holdings. This proactive approach is key to managing risk and capitalizing on opportunities. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Staying organized helps in all aspects of life.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.